What's going on, you guys? Happy New Year and welcome back to Yaks Welding. So, got a new alternator in the car. I was losing voltage while I was attempting to test drive it for the first time, so I made it like a couple hundred yards down the street and the car died on me. So I was looking at the logs and I was losing voltage. I was only getting like 11 volts while it was running, and I should be making close to 14. So swapped the alternator and fired it up the other day, and it was idling better and everything seemed good to go, but I still haven't test drove it. So let's go take the car for a spin. Really what I want to do is just make sure that it runs decent and the ECU is doing everything that it should do. I think there's probably only a handful of D series that are on a Haltech ECU. So pretty cool that I'm one of the few that's running a Haltech. Obviously everybody else runs Honda and whatever else, the Neptune stuff. So yeah, stop talking and put you guys on a mount and let's go for a test drive in this thing. Ooh, look at that mess of wiring. Disgusting. That's all right, we're gonna be taking care of that in another video. So while the laptop fires up, I think for 2022, I am gonna pick up a GoPro, one of the newer ones, either a 9 or a 10 black. This is actually a Hero 7 white that I'm filming on right now, and obviously the video quality isn't the best. It doesn't have like the hyper smooth and all that stuff. So I think what I'm gonna do is sell my mirrorless camera that I was using there for a while. I do feel like the video quality is better, but that thing was always focusing for like, it was hunting for focus. Like anytime I'd move that thing, it would like be all blurry. So I'm just gonna keep it simple and pick up a newer GoPro and have this GoPro for like in-car stuff, and I can use 2 of them, and I just feel like that'll help the channel out a lot. So anyways, yeah, one of my New Year's resolutions was to pick up a newer GoPro, and that way you guys can have some better quality. What is that sound? So it was actually doing this the other day and I couldn't figure it out. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear this. It almost sounds like it's coming from this guy? The fuck is that?
Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Give it a little tappy. Tap, tap, tap-a-roo.
That's so weird. Oh, yep. Unplugged it. This guy. And it stopped. What the heck? Yep. It's doing it again. Maybe I need a new one? That's not right. Oh well, we'll try to start it, see what happens. It was doing that the other day too. I don't know what that is. All right, we're finally in to the Haltech NSP software. Fire this thing up. Hopefully that sound doesn't stay. See, it's not doing it right now. It's like if I leave the key on and I don't start it for a while, that's when it starts. So weird. All right, let's get this thing connected. So far, just cruising. Give her a little second gear rip. Watch me blow this thing up because it's just on lap around and then cruise back to the house. I almost feel like I don't feel VTEC kicking in, so that might be an issue. Let's see.
Too soon, Junior.
It's super fat right now. Even the closed loop can't help it. Yeah, I almost feel like I don't feel VTEC kick in, but should be able to tell through the log. All right, made it back to the shed, and I would say that that was a successful first drive. Well, technically second drive. But yeah, it felt just like my old setup with the Honda, and it was really smooth. And I honestly think that the closed loop is way better with the Haltech. It's just faster. You can dial it in better. So I was able to just drive around on the closed loop, and it was just making corrections for me because I know that the VE table is quite a bit off right now. But yeah, car did good. So I am going to clean up the wiring. I want to get this thing on a dyno. So I'm going to do a lot of other stuff to it. I'm tired of the open downpipe. I did that just because it was easy. But I do have some 3-inch tubing up there. And I got a little muffler. And I'm going to run it 3-inch all the way back and do something cool out the back with it. So yeah, gonna do the exhaust, clean up the wiring, and then do something maybe about the front here because it's looking pretty jank since I had to cut out for the intercooler there, and then like headlights and stuff are just flopping around. So really want to kind of give this thing the love that it deserves on the exterior as well. So maybe some paint this off season. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing some stuff to the car. I finished up my little trailer out there. So I have means of towing it around if I need to take it to like a body shop or a paint shop. So that's pretty much going to do it for this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.